Hey, 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 Caddyman back with another lunch in a bowl. Yep, that's the new segment where we're coming with, lunch in a bowl. You can actually fix this on a shoestring, as they say in the old days. This one right here is a teriyaki bowl. Yeah, little Asian, this way you don't have to go get any fried chicken or any, Springfield cashew chicken. You can do your own. Okay, so here we're going to do it, and it's a lot less money. Okay, I'm going to start out with quinoa rice, brown rice. And before I pour that in, I put in some Asian toasted sesame salad dressing. Now you don't have to do that. The rice can get a little dry, so this seems to help it. And I like it. That's why I do it. And I have two bowls here because I'm going to make one for me and one for Angie. So here's the rice, and I'm going to be splitting these up 50-50. Well, as you know, probably Caddyman takes a little bit more for himself because I just do it because I'm a bigger guy. Okay. Put that in. Mess it around. Chicken, just plain old grilled chicken. It can already be frozen because you're going to heat this up. 50-50. Okay. See how easy, guys? Easy peasy. A little 5-spice seasoning. Got to have a little taste to it. Teriyaki sauce. Gluten-free, might I add. Now, I'm going to be very generous with this because I like it. Okay, some onions. Now these are cut. You can actually use green onions, but we went with the old reliable yellow ones, and they're cut very thinly. Okay, and then for a little more color, a little more spice, a little more taste, how about some peppers? And you can actually add a little love to this too if you want. This whole dish costs around $3 to $3.25 for both dishes combined. Can you believe that? So per one, you've got about $1.50. Can't beat that for a good lunch, and you can actually put your lid on, take it to work, pop it in the old microwave, and you're ready to go. So try this one from the old Caddyman and see if you don't like it. Come see me now, you hear?